Injury attorney Jim Hunt here. We get a lot of questions about how long does a person have to file a lawsuit or assert a claim? Is there a deadline? The answer is yes. That's why we suggest injury victims speak with a lawyer as soon as possible to learn more about their rights. These deadlines are called statute of limitations, and every state is different. So the statute of limitations is essentially a hard deadline by which you must file a lawsuit or you will forever be barred from bringing a claim. Now, the policy reason behind the statute of limitations is that the longer you wait to assert a claim, then people's memories fade about the incident, people and the witnesses may forget important information, and certain evidence, like documents, may be lost. So in New Jersey, generally speaking, if you have been injured, you have 2 years to file a lawsuit. That typically starts on the day of the accident. Now, there are some exceptions, and you should consult with an experienced attorney to learn more about your rights. In addition, if a minor is injured, meaning a child or somebody under the age of 18, then the statute of limitations is tolled, which means it's extended for a minor. So in New Jersey, the clock for the statute of limitations will not begin until the minor turns 18 years of old. Then the 2-year statute of limitations begins to run. So a minor would have until he or she turns 20 years old to file a lawsuit. Another exception is if the responsible party causing the accident or injury is a governmental agency, a state, a township, a city, or municipality. In those cases, there's a very short deadline called the Tort Claim Notice. This is based on the doctrine called governmental immunity, meaning generally the government is typically immune from a lawsuit. But there are exceptions to that rule. So if you have been injured by a governmental employee or a governmental agency or a state or a city, for example, you are hit by a truck owned or operated by the state of New Jersey or a local town, then you must provide notice of your tort claim to that governmental agency within 90 days of the accident. If you do not, you may be forever barred from bringing a claim for your injuries. Now, in many cases, the impact of the statute of limitations is pretty cut and dry, but there are more complicated situations that arise where application could be complex and confusing, which is why we suggest you speak with an experienced injury attorney to learn more about your rights. Please let us know if you have any questions.